Hello everyone, my name is Pramod Kumar Mandal and I'm doing my final year projects on acoustic comparison of PET and latex wing for flapping microwave vehicles from Tamkang University, Taiwan. Abstract of my projects are these projects present the hypoelastic latex film as the new material for flapping wing. Compared to one of the conventional flapping wing using PET, the latex wing reduces the wing noise with 15.93 dB at least. Both wings have wingspan of 20 cm and work at flapping frequency of 13.3 Hz. The leading edge spar and the ribs of both the wings are made up of carbon fiber. The newly developed latex wing is believed to be useful to the application of stealth MAV and AV in the future. Introduction. The flapping microwave vehicles recently attracts the people's attentions due to its low speed air maneuverability and small size, good to short range surveillance. These projects aim to investigate the influences of wing configuration and foil stiffness on the aerodynamics forces by acoustic comparison. In selecting appropriate flapping wings, it is best to learn from naturally flyers and mimic their way of flying. In the past, synthetic polymers primarily of plastic natures have been the popular choice for designs and fabrication. Noise reduction issues of MAVs. Before introducing the noise reduction techniques, I would like to address the wing actuation principle. Similar to previous works, the actuation force or torque available for flapping wings is drained from gear reduction transmission model coupled to a high-speed DC motor powered by a tiny lithium battery. The exploiting view of flapping mechanism we can see from the diagram. Wing configuration. Compared to one of the conventional flapping wings using PET, the latex wing will be proved to be superior in noise reductions. The flapping wings shown in figure have a wingspan of 20 cm and work at flapping frequency of 13.3 Hz. The leading edge spars and the stiffened ribs of both the wings are made up of carbon fiber. This newly developed latex wing is believed to be useful to the application of stealth. First one is latex wing, which is the new material wing, and second one is the PET that we are using in daily MAVs. Here we are comparing both of these wings. Then these both wing mounted on the testing platform and recorded the noise for the acoustic comparison by using Adobe Reader software. Then acoustic measurement. Adobe Audition is used to analyze the audio signals from flapping wings. The process of obtaining spectral waveform of the PET and latex film were done in following steps. The mechanism was allowed to run at 13.3 Hz and the sound of the motor combined with the ambient noise was recorded. This recording was clipped to 3 seconds audio and was taken as the reference file for noise reduction profile used for cancelling mechanism and ambient noise from other. Noise reduction process. Noise reduction process is the process to filter the sound of objects by removing the unwanted noise like noise of ambient and motor using the Adobe Audition software. By using Adobe Audition software, we can get wing noise. This is the noise reduction process in which we'll get the graph. You can see from this graph the threshold, high threshold which is in green color and low threshold which are in red, and too high that will becomes in yellow, it will be less disappeared. Results and conclusion. Latex wing have much smaller acoustic footprint compared to PET wing, that is about minus 27.99 dB. The substantial noise reduction is 15.93 dB. The peak amplitude of mechanism alone is minus 21.63 dB, not shown here, and with conclusion of latex film it is minus 11.09 dB. The wing hence have damping effect on the mechanism noise. It is important to note that frequency above 2 kHz is majorly suppressed, and this implies that if the mechanism noise is successfully suppressed, the latex wing would be barely heard. The mechanism, stiffness, and the lift thrust forces of the PET and latex wing will be discussed in the extended manuscript. Thank you. These are the references